Welcome back, ladies, to the Grown Women's Table. Ladies, it's your girl, Lori. Hey, girl, hey, how y'all doing today? Y'all, we got a collab video, and I'm collabing with LeJo Swatches, y'all. LeJo Swatches. She is the queen of lip swatches. If you guys do not know who she is, I'm going to need for you guys to find out who she is. If you love anything lippy related, this is your girl. But we decided to come together and do a look with the color Raine palette because they brought it back. And so we decided to go in and do a look with this palette. And if you want to see what I did, and if you want to see what she did, her information will be in the description bar. But if you want to see what I did, you just keep on watching.
If you need some advice or looking for an idea, just to get some tips, you can get that right here. This is Lori's Life.
All right, y'all. We are using, LeJo and I are using the Colored Raine Safari palette. Y'all, this right here is a hot commodity. It was. Now, mine is not new. The one that I did purchase in the haul is from my mom. So we're going to use this palette. I think, let me bring y'all in a little bit. All right, y'all, so I have a whole video with swatches and all that kind of stuff for this video. I'll leave it up here. But I think I'm going to go into the color Clay first. And we're going to take that color as my transition color. And I'm using the same brush, y'all. Because really, I'm just going to swoop this. Woo! Y'all see that? Now, I haven't used this palette, I don't think, with these brushes. So, and y'all, these palettes are pretty pigmented. So, do y'all see that gorgeousness of it all? Yeah, Color Raine is one of my favorite brands. I want to say I own every palette that they have. They make great eyeshadow. When I say pigmented and they're shimmers, honey, what? Gorgeous. And so I'm just going to put that all over. And that's going to be like my little base. That's where we're working from. That's pretty. Y'all, this is so pretty. This is a color that you can literally wear by yourself. By itself. You know what I mean? Especially on my skin tone. Y'all see that? She's popping. All right, so the next color, I think I'm going to do this in real time. What y'all think? I was going to cut it up, but we're going to do this in real time. The next color I'm going to go in is Congo Basin, which is this color right here. So we're going to take that color next. And we're going to put her right in the crease area. Just because I want to build a little bit of color up, y'all. And I'm kind of, y'all let me know in the comment section, do you like me doing it in real time or do you rather me speed up the process when I'm doing these eyeshadow looks? I have my preference, but it ain't all about me. So I want to know what you guys think. And as y'all can see how these colors build very well upon each other? Like you can still see Clay, and then I'm building up Congo. I'm just going to add her to the other side. If you have not checked out LeJo's channel, y'all, I need for y'all to go check her out because she has a very unique lane that she's in right now. Like, I don't think I've seen anyone. You correct me if I'm wrong. Well, you can't correct me if I'm wrong because if I haven't seen them, I haven't seen them. But if there's someone else out there, let me know. But I don't know if anyone is out there that's in that lane of just doing lipsticks and lip glosses and stuff like that, And she definitely has a passion for it. Y'all, that's pretty. I'm build up just a little bit more. And I'm going to pull it down a little bit. I want to pull it down just a little bit. Not much. See how I just pulled that color down a little bit? Let me pull it down a little bit on this side too. Oh, and I'm using my Sonia G Crease 2 brush. And it's from the Fundamental set. And this is one of the brushes I didn't even realize I was going to really like as much, but I use it quite often. All right, so we got that all blended out. Did everybody, who all picked up this palette? I know this palette was limited edition, and then it went away, and she brought it back. Thank you. And now it's gone. I think it's gone forever, y'all. I think it's gone forever. Now, the next color that I'm going to go into is Jungle. And I kind of like, let me tell you, I kind of like doing these as you go. I'm using my mini booster, Sonia G. I kind of like, so you can really see, you know, especially when it's a good palette. Because when it's a good palette, it don't take forever to get the look together. And when you have good tools, that makes a difference too. But we're going to take Jungle. And y'all see I didn't use much. And see how that color just popping? And I'm going to put this right over like at the bottom part of the crease. Y'all see how I'm building that at the bottom and bringing it inward like that. And this is my outer V area. And I'm just going to do a little blend work. And bring her in to about this far. I don't like to go too far in because I feel like it closes up my eye, but it's based on your own eye shape as to how far you want to bring it in or whatever look you're going for. But for me, I feel like if I go in too far, it closes the eye up. And I am going to bring it out just a little bit. Y'all see that? And I'm going to go ahead and do the other eye just like that. And with these colors, you kind of like tap, because especially when you don't know a dark color, you just tap it, build up the color to how you want it to be, how deep you want it, and then you start blending it out. Because, you know, it's better to build up a color than that put too much down, and then you got to try to get rid of a color. But take your time and just build that color up to the intensity that you want it to be, you know? And my thing is, makeup is simple, makeup is easy, makeup is fun. It just takes practice. And if you don't like it, you can always wash it off. I know Raine, back to Raine, y'all, but I know they're coming out with a new palette. I seen they had an umbrella, they had a water bottle. She's been doing a little bit of sneak peek, so I am here for it. I can't wait to see what she got for us. And I know they were working on foundations also, but I don't know when those are going to come out. So y'all, this is pretty. So I'm gonna go back in with this the Crease 2 brush and go back into Congo Basin, this color right here, and clean up around Jungle. Just because I feel like I lost a little bit of that. And then also to clean that up so we can have a nice blend. I don't know if y'all can see it. Y'all see that? So you can always go around your shade with the shade previously, you know what I mean? To clean it up, make sure it's blended, and especially if you feel like you lost some of that color and you want to pull that color back in. And when I get in this palette, for some reason, it drives me to the greens. Like the greens just say, come and get me. Come on, girl. Come and play with me. So I'm going to have to do another look, y'all, using the other shades without using any of the greens. But they're so pretty. They're so pretty. Like, I just can't help myself. You know how certain palettes have those certain colors? And to me, this whole roll is what I think of when I think of Safari, the Safari palette. But I think I'm going to do something different. I think I'm going to go into Amazon Basin, which is this color. And we're going to use that on our lid. Do you guys see how quick this eye look is coming together? And we're doing it in real time. I'm using my Sonia G Builder 3 brush from the fundamental section, set. Ooh, y'all. And I did put my foundation on first. So what I'm doing, because it is kind of glittery a little bit, but it's very, okay, y'all. I'm pressing it in instead of doing the swiping motions because I don't want that to fall all over my face. Oh, yes, she's pretty. She's pretty, y'all. What? Okay. I'm here for this all day. What y'all think? Let's share the love. Let's share the love to the other eye. And I know for me, I have to make sure I get by the eyeshadow lash, because sometimes I'll be missing that spot. I'm like, dang, I ain't put enough shadow down there. And y'all see I'm almost doing like a cut crease without having to do a cut crease. This is a beautiful shade. Yeah, this is a pretty shade right here. And it's got enough, like, no, I didn't wet it or nothing, y'all. Y'all see this pop? I'm telling you, if you have not used Color Raine shimmers, y'all missing out. You are definitely missing out because, honey, they don't come to play. They definitely come to slay. What? Oh, that's pretty. I got a little bit on about right down there, but that's all the fallout. None. And I did put my foundation on. So y'all, what I'm gonna do is go back in with my mini booster and go back into Jungle. And I'm gonna use that color because, you know, we gotta blend that together. And I like to just kind of like pat it. See that? And then blend it out to clean this whole little area up. And then I blend it in so these shades won't have a line of demarcation, and it'll just be like a seamless blend. You see that? And then I clean up around it. And all that right there, that's going to be fine because you fix that in the cleanup. And y'all know I clean up my eyeshadows when I do my concealer. And by me going back in and blending these two shades together, I'm also able to bring back the darkness. You know, I got to have a dark outer V. Like, I just got to. One day, I'm going to surprise y'all, but it ain't today. And we just blending those together, y'all. Yeah. Oh, I'm here for this. And it look a little messy, y'all, but once I finish what I got to do, it's going to be cute. I'm going to go back in with clay also. Let's go back in with clay. Even though I don't want to use this big brush, but we're going to do it just a little bit. See how that sweep, that right there pulls that clay back in? So I can get all those colors. And y'all, I'm going to go back in with Congo also. And this is just me being extra. Because I'm trying to do looks for you guys and not do as much blending. But y'all, it's so hard not to blend. Because I feel like blending is important. All right, y'all. I'm going to go put my foundation, well, my foundation on, but the rest of my face on. And then we'll come back and finish the eye, okay? All right, y'all. I'm back. Yes, your girl got on lashes again. And I decided to go in, finish up my face. I just got to do my lippy and my bottom line. The lashes are from Color Raine, and they're called Bossy. And then I did use blush from Color Raine, which was in the color my date one. So I used this as my blush. And then this was my highlighter. So it's like a dual. And y'all, it's really pretty. Really pretty. She cute. So let's do this bottom line. I'm gonna go in with this NYX liner in the color golden olive. And we're gonna put that in the waterline. Oh yeah, I like that. What y'all think? And then we'll go back in with Jungle with my Sonia G flat definer brush. And you know, I like to connect. Even though these lashes are so big, honey, you might not be able to tell, but I like to connect that outer V color into my lower waterline, lash line, not waterline, my lash line. This is a Sonia Kasha brush. It's really cute. I think I'm gonna go in with Lioness. That shade right there. Let's see how she look. Ooh, ooh, okay. All right. Ooh, she is very pigmented, y'all. But gave that pop that I wanted. You do not need a lot. Okay, y'all, we're gonna go in with the lippy. And it's by Color Raine, and it's a part of the Sephora collection, and the color is called Queendom. And I know I got a lot going on with the eye and stuff, but in honor of LeJo, since I am doing a collab with the Queen of Lippy, I had to go bold. So we're gonna go with this gorgeous color right here. Ooh, child. Ooh, this is a gorgeous color. Y'all, it's an orange, which y'all know I love me an orange lippy. But it got like a brown undertone a little bit. Like, it is gorgeous. But y'all, that is it. That is the look that I came up with using the Color Raine Sephora palette. And I also used some other Color Raine items on my face as well. And guys, I cannot wait to see what LeJo comes up with, because I know it's going to be fire. Guys, make sure you go in my description box, look in there, click the link to her channel, and go watch her video. Now guys, if you're not following your girl on Instagram, where you'll be able to get a closer look at this look, follow me at It's Lori's Life on Instagram. And guys, to all of my new subscribers, I see you and I appreciate you. And if you haven't subscribed yet, girl, hit that button so that I can save you a seat at the grown women's table. And until the next video, bye-bye, ladies.
Yeah, this is Lori's life. Yeah, check out Lori's life. Yeah, this is Lori's life. If you need some advice or looking for an idea, or just to get some tips, you can get that right here. This is Lori's life. Yeah, this is Lori's life. Check out Lori's life. Yeah, it's Lori's life.